Hi everyone, welcome to your channel Impulse Tech. I am Yogesh Bhavne. So today I come up with a new project which is based upon the Arduino IoT cloud platform. So on this platform we are going to build a project which is like gas leakage detection. So here I am going to use the MQ2 gas sensor and the ESP32 board in order to send the data from MQ2 sensor to the Arduino IoT cloud platform. So this kind of projects mainly used in industry or in domestic areas where we closely wanted to monitor the gas leakage detection. So the advantage of this project is like we can able to monitor the gas level data from anywhere in the world. So this is the main advantage of this project. So now we will see like how we are able to build this project into the Arduino IoT cloud platform. So I have built the same project into the Blink IoT platform. Now we will see like how we are able to build this project into the Arduino IoT cloud platform. So here you can see I have already logged into my Arduino IoT cloud platform by using my email address. You can log into your account by using your email address. Now here you can see like in order to connect your device with the Arduino IoT cloud platform, we need to create a thing. So first we will create a thing. We'll just click on create thing. Now in order to create a thing, we need to configure three things inside the thing to create a single thing. Here you can see first we need to add a variables, then we need to select a device, and then we need to configure the Wi-Fi credentials or the network credentials. So here we are going to monitor the analog data given by the gas sensor. So for that we need to create a variable. So here I am going to add a variable. So I'll give the name of the variable is like gas data. And select the variable type. So here I'll select the basic type, which is integer. Here you can see. So just select the basic variable type. So I'll select here integer. And here you can see like the variable permission. So basically this is the sensor. So it will give you the data. So we wanted to like read the data from the sensors. So I won't change anything. I'll just click on add variable now. Okay, so as you can see like we have successfully added a variable. So we have completed one part inside the thing. Now we'll add the device here. Here you can see associate device. We need to select here device. Here you can see I have already created a device before, so that's why it is telling me that you can able to use this device as well. So what I'll do, I'll just delete that device so that I can create it from the scratch. So I'll go to the devices and I'll just click here and delete it. So I'll go to the thing once again. So as you can see here, we have created a thing. I'll click on the thing. Now we will rename the thing as our project name, like IoT based gas leakage detection. Okay, so this is our project name. Now what I'll do, I'll just select a new device, click on here. Now there are two types in order to select a device. One is set up an Arduino device and other one is like set up an third party device. So the Arduino device is like there are various boards available in the Arduino like which has Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth connectivity. So you can use that like MKR1010 board and all. But we are using here ESP32 board or the ESP8266 which are not from the Arduino, so which are from the Express chip. So in order to use that, we need to use the setup third party device. So click on setup third party device and select here ESP32 board, and I'll select here ESP32 dev module. So select here ESP32 dev module. Here you can see ESP32 dev module. Let's click on that. Now let's click on continue and let's give the name to your device. ESP32 gas sensor and click on next. Now you can see like we will get the device ID, secret key and all. So what we need to do, like we need to download this PDF so that you will not lose this device ID and secret key. So just download it. So click on I saved my device ID and the secret key. So what I'll do, I'll just copy the secret key because we need this secret key in our project, in our coding. So let's click on continue now. So we have successfully added a device. Now Okay, so now we have selected a device called ESP32 Here you can see. And now we need to configure the network. So let's click on configure and give the Wi-Fi name, that means SSID name. So here I am writing the name of my hotspot, which is created by mobile phone. So let's write here and give the password for the same. Now you can see like we have successfully configured 3 things inside the thing. In order to create a thing, we need to configure 3 things. First one is like create a variable. Second one is like add the device, that is associate device. And third one is like network credentials. We need to add these things. Now I guess we have done with this creating a thing. Now let's go to the sketch. We need to write a program for this now. So just click on open full editor. So now one of the most useful feature of the Arduino IoT Cloud platform, I feel that it has own web editor. That means we don't need to open the Arduino IDE and we don't need to write their code. You can directly write your code in the web itself. So here you can see the variable that we have created is gas data. So this is the variable that we have already created. So we don't need to create this variable once again. So now what we will do now, we'll just like add a variable like where we have connected our gas sensor. So we'll write here gas sensor equal to pin number 34 and semicolon. So here I have connected the gas sensor to the pin number 34 of the ESP32 board. It's very simple. It has like 3 pins only. It has 4 pins. One is like VCC, one is like ground, and another one is like the D0, and another one is like the A0. So we are not going to use the digital one. We are going to use the analog output. So the analog output is connected to the pin number 34 of the ESP32 board. So here you can see they have initialized the serial monitor and all. Now, so here I'll write pin mode, opening closing bracket, and inside it we need to write like gas sensor here write the input. So basically this is the pin that we are using is the input pin. So now here you can see inside the while loop we need to read the data. So what I'll do, I'll just write here like the same variable name that is like we have created int, or I'll write here gas data, the same variable that we have created here. I wanted to update the values of gas sensor into this variable. So I'll just copy this variable. I'll just come here and I paste it here. I'll write here equal to, because this is the analog sensor, I'll write the command analog read, opening closing bracket, and here inside it I'll write analog read the sensor which is connected here at the pin number 34. Let's type this, let's copy this gas sensor and paste it here. Okay, and semicolon. So now what does this line of code do? So this line of code will like read the analog data coming from the gas sensor and store it into the gas data variable that we have already created while creating the thing. So this is how we are sending the data to the variable by using this. Now there is a function like on gas data change. So they have created a function called on gas data change. What if this sensor data change? What you wanted to do after the sensor data is changing? So for that purpose this function is there. So currently we are just wanted to monitor the data onto the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So let's just see now that this code is like correct or not. So what I'll do, I'll just verify this code. Okay, so now as you can see, this code doesn't have any errors. So the code is successfully compiled. So what I'll do now, I'll just upload the code into the ESP32 board and we'll see like whether we're able to get the data onto the Arduino IoT Cloud platform or not, and also we will set up the web dashboard of the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So let's see. So now I've connected my board, ESP32 board, with the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So for uploading the code from web editor to the ESP32 board, so as you can see, like I have connected my ESP32 board using the micro USB cable. Now for uploading the code from like web editor to the ESP32 board, we need to install one software called like Arduino agent. So Arduino agent is nothing but it's like you can see it's the agent between your web editor to the ESP32 board. So what it will do, it will just connect your web editor to the COM port and upload the code into the ESP32 board. So that is the use of Arduino agent. So we need to turn on the Arduino agent. Here you can see. So this is the Arduino agent. So what I'll do, I'll just select the board here. So you can see the board is there available at COM port 4. So the Arduino agent is also running. So what I'll do now, I'll just upload the code. So now I'll just click on the boot button so that the code will upload. So as you can see, the code is started uploading now. So we need to press on the boot button. So once the code is started uploading, you need to release it. So the code is successfully uploaded. As you can see, leaving hard resetting via RTS pin. So the code is successfully uploaded into my ESP32 board. Now what we will do, just click on go to Arduino IoT Cloud. Now we need to set up the dashboard. So we'll set up the web dashboard for the Arduino IoT Cloud platform so that we will monitor the gas data coming from the ESP32 board. So now as you can see on the screen, the device is online. So here you can see the device is online now. So here I have made one silly mistake. So that's why my device is not showing online. The mistake is like, instead of secret key, I am just adding the password of my Wi-Fi network. So this is the silly mistake I have made. So instead of secret key, we need to enter the secret key which is provided by the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So then only your device will connect to the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So now the device is online. As you can see, the device is online now. And now we'll go to the dashboard and we'll see like whether we are able to get in the data of this MQ2 gas sensor onto the Arduino IoT Cloud platform or not. So now here you can see like we are successfully able to get the real-time data from the MQ2 sensor to the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So what I'll do now, I'll just produce some smoke by using the stick and we'll see like what is the data we'll get. So now the smoke started producing, you can see now. So let me try to add smoke on the sensor now. So let me add the smoke and now you can see the data is increasing onto the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. You can see the value of gas sensors. It is updating in real time. I'm trying to increase the gas, so that's why the value is increasing. Now you can see. So now you can see on the screen the value is increasing like from 400 to 727, 750 and all. So this is how like we are able to make the real-time gas leakage detection project. So this is the IoT based gas leakage detection project. So you can see like I am producing the smoke and also I am having the MQ2 gas sensor. So this is the live project as you can see on the screen. So the data is increasing. Now the value is 806. So this is how we are going to create the IoT based gas leakage detection project in the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So if you found this project useful for you, then do subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.